We are given a trigonometric equation and we need to solve it for theta in between 0 and 180 degrees. So this angle is in quadrant 1 or quadrant 2, excluding 0 and 180 degrees. To solve this equation, we need to cross multiply. So when you cross multiply, we have tangent theta plus 2 sine theta, that equals 3 times tangent theta minus 2 sine theta. We can expand the right side to get 3 tangent theta minus 6 sine theta. Okay, then we just move everything over to the right side and rearrange. 3 tangent theta minus tangent theta, that is 2 tangent theta. Minus 6 sine theta minus 2 sine theta, that is minus 8 sine theta equals 0. Now, all these are just even numbers. We can divide throughout by 2 so that we do not have all these numbers messing around. Tangent theta is sine theta over cosine theta. And we can now multiply throughout by cosine theta, so that we have sine theta minus 4 sine theta cosine theta equals 0. We can factor sine theta, and we are left with 1 minus 4 cosine theta equals 0. So we have the product of these two equals 0. Then we set each of them to 0. Sine theta equals 0. Sine theta is 0 when theta is 0 or 180 degrees. But the solution set that we want, theta is in between 0 and 180, excluding 0 and excluding 180 degrees. So this is not the solution that we want because it's not in the specified interval of theta. We still have 1 minus 4 cosine theta equals 0. Rearranging 4 cosine theta equals 1 or cosine theta equals 1 over 4. Look at the right side. This is positive. The ratio is positive. Cosine is positive in quadrant 1 or quadrant 4. But theta is either in quadrant 1 or 2, so we shall ignore the quadrant 4. Then the only value of theta is the value theta that gives us cosine equals 1 over 4 in quadrant 1. We do not have to find the reference angle. We just use theta to be inverse cosine of 1 over 4, and that is 75.5 degrees.